In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render a desert pyramid. Let's add an array modifier with the count setting of 10. (1.010) would be good for the relative x offset. Let's add a material. Please match my settings. Please make sure you have the snapping option turned on. Let's duplicate the cubes and reduce the number of count. We can move the cubes like this. Let's apply the array modifiers. We can rotate the mesh -90 degrees on the x-axis. Let's move the blocks like this. Let's select all meshes and join them with Ctrl+J. Let's go to the top viewport, duplicate and rotate 90 degrees. It would be easier to do this after turning off the snap setting. Please bear in mind that my demonstration will stack the meshes. I'm rotating and stacking the meshes only for the demonstration purpose, so please remove the stacked vertices later, if you like. Let's create a ground mesh with a plane. We can subdivide it with 100 cuts like this and randomize it. Let's clone the material and make it unique by pressing this number button. Let's lower the noise strength. Time to create a plane with an emission shader as the light source. Let's do the rest of the usual render setup with the Cycles renderer, Filmic, curves, denoise and 128 samples. This is the end of the Desert Pyramid tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.